Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Gal Misha representing live from my space. I'm here to take you through today's breakdown or today's analysis. This is a gold chart, gold US dollar. But before I break down the chart, I would like to share with you a simple nugget. If you're just starting your journey, don't give up. It's really hard when you're just starting out. Don't be fooled by these online gurus. Like they will be telling you you can master a skill in a few months. That's all a lie. You just need to focus on the skill set first. Don't focus on the profits. Don't focus on making money. Don't focus on the Lambos, on the mansions. Focus on developing your skill. Because trust me, with the skill, you'll be able to make all the money in the world. You'll be able to make the bank. You'll be able to be printing your paycheck on a daily basis. But you have to first align. You have to first build from the foundation. Abundance begins with architect through your thoughts, mindset, inner alignment, awareness, intentionality. Know exactly what you want. What do you want? You want a life of freedom. You want to live a life of fulfillment. It won't happen overnight, but it happens over time through dedication, through resilience, through continuous growth, through consistent rhythm. Being successful doesn't happen overnight. It's not a hustle, it's a rhythm, consistent, because rhythm allows for compound growth. It doesn't just happen in a shortest time. You don't need to hustle hard, but you have to just align yourself. Know what you want. What kind of life do you want to live in 10 years to come, in 5 years to come, in 20 years to come? Think long term growth because the short term doesn't last. If you're just here like for a short term, you won't stay long and that doesn't bring fulfillment. So you just need to align yourself because you can't freestyle your way to long-term success. It takes a lot. Anyways, enough of the yapping. Let me take you through today's breakdown before we dive in. My mantra: success is my duty, obligation, and a responsibility. So I will start from yesterday, 24th, New York session. We had a market structure shift from here. We had a market structure shift, like price really changed, and it was showing us that we are now bullish. So we had this market structure shift. We had a new structure here, breaking market structure. We had a retracement in here, break, like price continued in that direction until when it reached the premium. In this case, we had like this, let me see, we had it react of, we had price react of this fair value gap. Like we had a fair value gap in here. We had price react of that. So today, Asian Open, Asian Open, this was Asian session low. We had a trade move higher, breaking market structure. Price left a bullish order block since order flow was still bullish. So price left a bullish order block. This was in Asian. So breaking market structure, bullish order block, we had it being mitigated. Midnight open, we had this order block being mitigated. So after price mitigating this order block, we had this move. Surely we had this move higher, like this was a change in state of delivery in here, like we had price close above this consecutive down close candle. I'll consider that as a change in state of delivery. So London Open, we had it trade back in here. Then we had price take out this Asian session high. So that was a draw on liquidity. After price taking out the Asian session high, we had it close back inside this range. So this was a significant, or it was showing us that price has taken out buy side liquidity, and since it was it had already reached our premium portion, like our premium of the range inside a fair value gap, we had a liquidity sweep. In this case, buy side liquidity was swept. Then price started reacting, or it started rejecting from there. So until when price takes out this was my invalidation. So by price trading below this, I would consider this as a market structure shift. Market structure shift, or a change in state of delivery. We had price close below this low that was formed. This was midnight open. Price closed below. Then we had this a bearish order block. We had a small fair value gap in here. So we had price at this point retracing back into the bearish order block and rebalancing the fair value gap. So if I want to participate, like if I want to participate in this piece of price action, since the market structure has already shifted, like from bullish, because it was bullish all the way from here, then to a bearish. This was a market structure shift. You can clearly see this, that we really had a strong market structure shift. So if I want to participate in this, remember we trade in the direction of the trend. We swim with the tide, not against it. So we move in the direction of the trend. We had a bearish order block, therefore we had a retracement back into the order block. So my invalidation would be, if price still closed above this candle, I will be out, like it is now. So if at all it had closed above this, then I will be out and you look for other setups. So in this case, price came here, rejected off, came here, rejected off. It was a bit of a consolidation in here, but this was our invalidation, rejected off. Still inside this portion, we had price close below this up close candle, making it a bearish order block. So we had a fresh order block, in this case bearish, because order flow was bearish. So we had market closing below this up close candle, making this a bearish order block. Therefore, we had an immediate mitigation. We had price trade back in here, mitigating this order block, and we had this large expansion. It wasn't that large. We moved 160 pips down, taking out this low. So that was another break in market structure, until when price reached a discount level. So in this case, if you look here in the discount, we had a bullish order block. So from here, price was retracing back into the discount order block. So we had price trade in there. So when price hit this discount order block, we had it here started rejecting. What do I mean by rejecting? It started forming swing lows, like it was forming new structure. Here, we had this swing low, price traded, closed above here. We had news, then Price still came, respected this low, and started pushing back above. So this is the move now. It's currently trading inside this fair value gap, but if at all it closes above this and all this, then we shall be looking for it to continue back above into premium, because we have a lot of PDRAs resting above this premium level. Hope this was insightful. I remain Misha. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Success is my duty, obligation, and a responsibility, because I know no one is coming to save me. It is a must to change my life. It is my obligation to change the story of my life. Peace.